You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Folake Orebi, known as ShiningFolake. Today, I won't like to take much of your time. I want to bring to you how you can use this particular app to do your thumbnails. You know that without thumbnails, your video might not go viral. So if you want your video to go viral, use this thumbnail. It's thumbnail maker. Look at the logo here, and at the same time subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click the notification bell and press the button. Please like my video, and I would love to read from you. Kindly drop your comments. I won't take much of your time, so let's go to the teaching of today. How you can make your video thumbnail so that it can go viral. Let's go. You're welcome to my channel again. We are on a thumbnail maker app. So this is the home page, and this is the thumbnail maker. So this is the way it is. So now I'm going to into the gallery of thumbnail. These are the icon that they have. You go up right side, you will see it. So now I'm going to my gallery to pick color that I needed to do my project. So I'll be taking this particular color just for me to work on. This pink, light pink color, that is what I want to use. So here I'm spreading it. You have to spread it to cover the thumbnail, and don't forget it is 16 by 9 for YouTube. So right now I'm picking my picture that I'm using. Can you see I have different type of pictures? I'm picking one of the pictures there. So after picking the picture, I double it. I make it double. Can you see? I double the picture to the size I want. So I'm going back to pick the logo. Can you see the logo? This is the logo of a thumbnail maker. This is the logo. You place it anywhere you want to put it. So I'm putting it on this right side. Now I'm writing my text. So this is how you are going to write your text. So 2024 will be my first caption. So I'm looking for where to put it, preferably that place. So I'm trying to make it smaller so that it can enter 2024. So I'm going to type again thumbnail. Can you see I'm typing already? So I've put it back, thumbnail. The spelling is not correct, that is why I have to go back and retype. Can you see the prompt? So you type in what you want to type, depend on the topic or the captioning of your project that you are going to type. So my own is a thumb maker tutorial 2024 thumbnail maker tutorial. So this is it. So I'm trying to, and you know what, at this point the the keyboard is so tiny. It's so tiny, so I have to take my time to look at the alphabet very well, so that I won't make any mistake. Can you see? So this is, you can use any of the icon over there, but I thought I should use but I decided not to use any icon, but just to show you for this tutorial purpose. And this is the color. You can pick any color, you can select any color you want, you can mix your color, you can use only one color, depends on what you want, depends on your mission. So I think I use two color here. Yes, I have to use, I makes it blue because the dress I'm wearing is blue. So for the tutorial now, I'll be using red. So I'm going back to the color section to pick red for the tutorial. So this is how you are going to this is how you are going to do your thumbnail using thumbnail maker. It's very beautiful, and going through it, you can still be perfect more than I do. So all this is just to show you how you should do your own. Even you can do your own more perfect than I do. You see, so I have to go back. I want to put in a tutorial now, but I still have to do some arrangements. You can see me still going back to the color, going back to my prompt, going back to the text to see to bring out something good, to bring out something good. So at this point, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. This is ShiningFolake. Please do subscribe, click the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I'm dropping any video. I promise to be dropping video like this, even better than this as time goes on. Kindly drop or kindly comment if there is any question that you want to ask me. If there is anything, please drop it at the comment box. I will surely answer you. Please press the like button, please, so that my video can go viral. So can you see I've put tutorial? So I'm trying to look at different colors. You can use as many colors as you want to, depends on what you want to do, depends on your mood, depends on your style. But this one, just to show you how to use this thumbnail maker, is a good app. So at this point I have to save. You see I've saved it. Then after saving, I'm going to share it to another app so that I can easily bring it out. So I've shared it to Guru. Now I'm going to save it here as well, so it can go inside to my gallery, because if I don't save it, it will not go into my gallery, which I have done. So thank you for watching. That is how I'm able to make